continually tip your animal plant. I'll walk you through exactly how I weigh, step how Coca-Cola tip by step.
It begins with raw sugarcane, harvested at peak maturity.
Each bundle is prepared for immediate transport.
Timing is critical to preserve freshness and quality.
Clean water is sourced and prepared alongside raw inputs.
Filtration begins immediately at the source.
Refined sugar joins the supply chain in parallel.
All materials are secured for controlled transit.
From field to factory, the journey begins. Every route is optimized for efficiency and timing.
The destination comes into view.
Entry is controlled and continuously monitored.
Each shipment is verified before entry.
Inside, operations are already in motion. Materials are directed to specialized intake zones. Unloading begins without delay. Unloading begins with controlled precision. Materials transition directly into the intake system.
Parallel streams feed the production line.
Raw inputs are routed to their first processing stage. The factory interior comes alive. Every movement is monitored in real time. Flow rates are precisely controlled. The process advances into preparation. Raw materials are thoroughly cleaned before processing. Manual inspection ensures consistency. Material is reduced for efficient extraction.
Size separation improves processing accuracy.
Refined sugar is staged for blending. Inputs converge toward the core system. Preparation completes as the next stage begins.
Water purification continues in parallel.
Measured inputs begin controlled integration. Uniform blending ensures consistency at scale. Batch control maintains precise formulation. The signature concentrate is introduced. The mixture advances for refinement. Clarity is ensured through fine filtration. Temperature control prepares the next phase. The process moves toward transformation. The liquid enters controlled high-pressure conditions.
Carbonation defines the beverage's character.
The mixture stabilizes after infusion.
Uniform carbonation is carefully maintained.
Automation ensures balanced distribution. The product advances toward final handling. Preparation shifts to final formation. Automation takes control at the filling stage. Each container is filled to exact volume.
Sensors verify every unit in motion.
Sealing preserves freshness and pressure.
Multiple formats move in parallel.
Branding is applied with precision. Units are prepared for retail distribution. The line advances toward final refinement. Final alignment ensures uniform presentation. Defects are removed instantly from the line. Protective wrapping secures each unit. Cooling stabilizes the final packaging.
Automated stacking maximizes efficiency.
Human oversight ensures structural integrity. Loads are secured for transport stability. Finished goods move into storage flow. Samples are redirected for final verification.
Visual checks conferred clarity and fill accuracy.
Carbonation levels are carefully observed. Key parameters are measured with precision.
Traceability ensures full production control.
Only verified batches proceed forward. The flow returns to the main distribution line.
Storage prepares the product for dispatch. Finished pallets are positioned for dispatch.
Movement remains continuous and controlled. Movement remains continuous and controlled. Loads are secured inside transport units. Dispatch operations scale with demand. Distribution begins beyond the factory walls. A continuous system delivering at scale. And this is how modern factories produce Coca-Cola from start to finish.